Hi. It's summer now. I thought I would film makeup tutorial for summer, like sunset inspired. Just so you know, I'm not good at makeup. I don't even wear makeup that often, so like I'm gonna be bad. I don't know why I'm doing this. I want to put some primer on. Now I had this really cheap primer that I got from Meyer because I am so broke. I'm only 15, like I could get a job, but then again, like I don't want to get a job and I don't really need one. I babysit a lot. That's a lie. I don't babysit that often. I babysat twice. Ava. Then I go with a second primer because the girls gotta be primed, you know. This one's the Professional, which is actually a good primer. Yeah, so use this, but just in my T-zone. If you don't know what that is, me neither. Here. I'm gonna use this. I don't know what kind of foundation it is, so sorry. I like school. You know why? I can't drive, okay? So that means this summer is hella boring because I can't do anything, like anything. And if you can drive, it's just better. You know what I mean? Yeah, you do. Get my driver's license when I turn 16, which is in 6 months, so. Summer is honestly the most boring thing in the whole world. And I know most people are gonna fight with me about that, but it's true. I haven't worn foundation in a really long time. I usually just use concealer. But, you know, it's a tutorial, so... I have two of these. They're the Tarte, you know, everyone has them. I probably should just be doing the eye look for you guys. I also just don't get how people can do makeup tutorials all the time. I get so bored. I don't wear it at school because I'm way too lazy and I don't care about how I look. Maybe I should wear makeup. I take another beauty blender that's dry. Gosh, it's not coming off. Then I just put the rest of my face with the same powder, but like with this. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Should I just be like one of those beauty gurus who does their eyebrows off camera? When people do their eyebrows so much that it's just like lines. I mean, I guess if you don't have eyebrows, do what you want. And honestly, do it if you want to do it anyways. It just bothers me, I guess, because it looks really fake. And I guess if that's what you're going for, go for it. It's not my cup of tea, but it may be yours. Brow gel, I just set them in place, I guess. Brows are done. I guess I'll contour. I never ever contour. I'm just doing this for the video. I don't know what this is. It's from Sephora. It's from Sephora. Like, I guess that's good enough. I'm just gonna wipe off the powder that's on my face besides under my eyes because I still have to put eyeshadow on, which is the main part of this video that I haven't gotten to yet. For blush, I'm just gonna use this MAC blush that I use.
Obviously.
Why do YouTubers like always need to show what brushes they're using? I feel like it's always gonna look the same. I get it for foundation sometimes, maybe. My dad just texted me, what are you doing today? Nothing. I put some highlighter on. This brush, doesn't matter what kind you use. I almost bought some lipstick the other day, but then I realized like I'm never ever gonna wear it. I'm gonna go in with a Becca highlighter, but I kind of broke it. Ooh, like really bad. You know, you can fix it with like patting, I think it's like alcohol in it. Just like fine with me. Time to get eyes now. Oh my god. Oh gosh, I love. This will do, right? I don't know. My eyes itchy. I can't itch it. I'm gonna use this really pretty palette called Yes Please Color Pop. Look, pretty, right? I'm gonna use this. So I have all my dirty brushes. Look at this one. That's not even possible. So my goal for this is to put like a, wait, what does the sunset even look like? Let me look it up. I'm really dumb. I guess I'll just make it like orange, dark orange, red and stuff, and then put yellow as the sun. I guess I'm just gonna start with this one then, the middle one. I really need to show you guys what I'm doing. This is like hard. I don't know why people do this. Ooh, it's pretty though. Okay, another thing I don't get about YouTubers is they do one eye, whole eye, and they finish it. But then they go into the second eye. I can't remember what I did in those steps. So props to you if you're a makeup artist. Sounds like I just got punched. That's okay. I mean, I guess you can't really go wrong with a sunset, right? I'm gonna use a lighter color. Well, no. I'll use that one. It looks good on camera, so I hope it looks good on my face. I'm gonna use this particular up there. Using the same brush for every single one. Like, that's how bad I am at this. I'm gonna do something pretty risky and try to do a cut crease because... Can I try with this one? Oh gosh, I have to sneeze. You can't see what I'm doing, but that's okay. I mean, it looks really bad. I'm not mad at it because I'm gonna put yellow over it to make it the sunset, you know? Whatever, let's go back to here. Whoa, oh my gosh, it's pretty. Put it on, I guess? I don't know. It's working, guys. Whoa, this is pretty as heck. Whoa, I'm kind of proud of myself. I watched it happen, but didn't feel like picking it up. I don't know how YouTubers like pose with their thumbnails. Take away this powder because that bothers me. I'm gonna put some mascara on and I'm done. Not we are, I am done. Thank goodness. Just kidding. Here it is. Ah! Ow! I'm fine. Guys, I'm gonna get it on the yellow and it's gonna screw it all up. So I put some lipstick on and then my eyelashes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want. I lost a lot of subscribers from not posting, which is my fault. I'll see you guys, I don't know when actually because I'm really lazy. Bye, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you do use this tutorial, wow. Bye!
Uno the shoe, ready to blow, look like a flag, what the fuck you do?